Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn correct English expressions. In this lesson, we will know about the use of not and the use of no. After learning the correct expressions, we will do exercise. Let's get started. When to use the word not? Let's read the examples. I did not see him. I didn't see him. He want me not to be late. He want me not to be late. Not everybody agrees. Not everybody agrees. Who's next? Not me. Who's next? Not me. Not for me. Thanks. Not for me. Thanks. Not at all. Not at all. She's not feeling better this morning. She is not feeling better this morning. Let's learn the use of no. Are you ready? No, I'm not. No, don't touch it. It's hot. No, don't touch it. It's hot. It was Tina. No, you are wrong. It was Afsana. She's had an accident. Oh no. She's had an accident. Oh no. There were no letters this morning. There were no letters this morning. He's no fool. He's no fool means he's not full at all. He's no fool. Now let's do the exercise. That's all for today. If you like today's lesson, please like, share and comment on my video and please subscribe.